Back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome as well. Please go subscribe for me now, like and comment. Yes guys, leave a comment down below and tell me what you think about this video. Alright, Fime Island little bit, but it's Talawa. Jamaica is made up of land, wood and water. As you know, a patwa there, me and Nyam Medina. Boom. Alright guys, so you vex with me? You vex with me? You vex with me? Yes guys, here in Jamaica, normally somebody vex with you or something, or them upset with you about a situation or a thing, on earth or whatever, you just ask them that question here. Alright, so you get it. And in English language, are you ignoring me? Are you angry with me? Are you ignoring me? Are you angry with me? Have I done something wrong? Hey, you can't ask a lot of questions, but in Jamaica, you vex with me. The other one on the deck. Me I go wash my dirty clothes, you know. Me I go wash my dirty clothes, you know. Me I go wash me dirty clothes, yeah, no. Alright, and in English language, of course, this means I'm going to do my laundry now. I'm gonna go ahead and have my laundry done, or I'm going to do my laundry. So in Jamaica, or I'm going to wash my clothes or whatever. I'm going to do some washing. But oftentimes, I go wash my dirty clothes. The next one on the deck. Call me back. Me can't chat to you now. Call me back. Me can't chat to you now. Call me back. Me can't chat to you now. So there's many ways you can twist and turn up that and fit it to your liking. Alright? And in English now, you don't know the thing set. I'm unable to talk to you right now. I'm unable to take your call. Please give me a call back. So but in Jamaica oftentimes, yeah, you don't know, so we're full of a little attitude and little expression and everything up in it. You don't know, so that is what we're gonna say. Yeah, some of us might say the English way. Another one on the deck now. See there? Me and Nyam Medina. Me a Nyam Medina. Ya Nyam for your dinner? Me a Nyam Medina. Me a Nyam Medina. And simple now. In English language, it clearly means that I'm having my dinner. I'm going to have my dinner right now. So I'm going to have my dinner right now. Same thing as me and Nyam Medina. You come to Jamaica and you want to have some food. You don't know the thing set. Me gonna nyam my food right now. Alright? So thank you guys for coming and watching this great part of video. Yes, I do appreciate you guys very, very much. See you on Thursday at 6 p.m. Bye guys, and shout outs coming back.